Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off allow finding by friends in Game Center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on Game Center. Next, scroll down and then tap on Allow Finding by Friends. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And it said here, help your Game Center friends find you more easily based on the name they have for you in their Contacts app. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.